What's the meaning of boldface? Boldface. Boldface.
Boldface. Boldface. Boldface refers to text that is printed in a bolder and darker typeface than the surrounding text, in order to give it more emphasis or importance. The effect of using boldface can be used to draw attention to specific words or phrases, or to make them stand out from the rest of the text. Typically, people use boldface to highlight headings, subheadings, or key concepts in their writing. In essence, boldface serves as a useful tool for emphasizing important information and making it easier to spot amid a sea of text.